and man, oh day, does it look freaking killer, guys. So again, I'm not sure if I quite said it in the videos or not, but there's like little inserts here. We're gonna take these off and get these powder coated orange. I think this housing comes off. If this housing comes off, we're gonna paint this orange also, and just sort of have some fun and add our flair to it. Alrighty, we've got our list of things to get done today, and well, I guess technically it's now not my mom's birthday, so we could cross that one off so it looks like we're making progress. But I got a phone call from a very good friend of mine and he needed help, so that's where today's video is going to end up. So we're still chugging away at this stuff, guys. I will have all this done before Sunday's reveal video on what we're doing the following week, so stay tuned for that. So before we roll the footage for today, let's actually go out here and we have to fix the F450. That's right. And this isn't the F450's fault, just so everybody knows. Let's make that aware. Not the F450's fault that it needs fixed. You'll see the little guy's fault that it is here very, very soon. So let's go outside, we'll get the hood popped, and I'll show you what's going on. Alrighty, good morning, guys and girls, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I am Send It Steve. We've got another small little issue with the F450, which isn't really the F450's fault. However, it is because I live basically off of a farm. Now, up here in the corner of my property, there is a farm out here. The farmer's actually like getting ready to, I guess, bale his hay. So we got little creatures running around now. So I get that a lot of people don't understand it and probably don't understand it, but I found these two little fellers under the hood of the F450. So I went in there and I obviously, you know, tried to figure out what could have possibly been chewed, what is where, and the only thing I ended up finding was the wire to the sensor that we just replaced, and it's chewed. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut all this out, get it up here for you guys to actually see in person, and we'll go from there. But yeah, one downside of living you know, off of a farm is you get little, you know, woodland creatures all the time running around in your engine bay, and sometimes it's not necessarily a positive thing. So it is what it is. Alright, not sure how well you guys can see that, but that wire, they actually all three melded together right there at that point. So I'm kind of glad we're doing this. Now I'll go ahead and splice into here, and then we'll take our new connector and just get this thing back up and running. So let me get the new connector here. We'll trim what we got to trim, and we should be good to go. oil in. Our new sensor is done, or our new wire, I guess. We already did the new sensor, but we're freaking ready to fire this thing up and clear the engine light. Let's go do it. Six codes. Now obviously, as you do know, it is still the brake switch. I should do that, and I actually, ever since I put the glow plug harness in, I never cleared that code. I completely was hoping that it would go out, which obviously before this we didn't have an engine light, so it still could be a store code because the engine light was off the last time. But that is the code that came up again. Exhaust pressure sensor low, but that is obviously because we had bare wire. So go in here, clear it. Our engine light is clear. And we should be back in business, guys. Fresh oil change, fresh, ready to go. You see the brake switch, that just comes right back up. So we got to get one of them, guys. It's only like 30 or 40 bucks. We'll get one of them tossed in, but that doesn't allow for an engine light. So we are back in business, guys. We are good to go. And we've also got that engine delivered to Andy.
What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you're having a great freaking day, just like me. We're gonna go on an adventure with Steve.
I'm back here though.
With Steve.
Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I am Senate Steve, and I have the reliable truck that we are going to take to help Andy from DFR out in a little bit of a situation. So I'll pick back up once we get where we're going, and well, we're here just helping out these Chevy owners. That's what we're calling it. These DURAMAX guys, we got to help them.
You know what?
You guys looking at my girl's butt?
Here's fucking camera.
How much more do you need?
4.
What are friends for? Use my truck, use my money. It is what it is.
Dickhead.
All right, so obviously we're coming home from driving the engine off. Zach just got his permit, so we're gonna let him drive the big girl here. I'm a bit nervous, but I think he's got it. Oh, he's closing my door. I gotta go in there. We got other people in the truck.
I'm so sorry.
Handle with care. You're probably gonna need to move the seat back. He's just a tad taller than I am, but just, yeah. Be careful and obey the speed limit.
It's really dark in here, dude.
I gotta poop. I'm nervous.
Which way is he going?
Left turn.
Left turn?
Yeah, it's 7 to 7 is them hours. It's after 7.
Yeah, but you can't go straight.
He's
Unless you're
going
going
left.
over.
I'm going left? Okay.
Yeah, but you realize we're going off the curb.
No, it's not. That's why I pulled it. It's not a curb. It's actually an
Oh,
L.
wait, drive.
Oh boy.
Oh wow, this is good.
That's not a good sign. Oh, well, it's another Ford. They'll yield to us. Oh boy, and he's on the road, guys. Well,
Monday, Tuesday, happy day!
Oh my god,
oh boy. Yeah, just focus on the drive, okay? Yeah.
He's good. Where's your seatbelt at? You got it on?
What? Me?
Your
Yeah.
seatbelt on? Alright.
Don't look back. You drive
Where are we going?
straight.
Hey,
Just stay
just don't
straight.
ride the white line like you like to do.
You're steering me.
I would stay on
really,
the
like,
white.
There's a lot of play here.
Stay to the right. It's not a lot of. It's just crooked. Lifted vehicles.
Oh yeah, it's like weird.
Yeah, it's not super straight. It's a little angled.
You worried about anybody behind you in this thing?
I can't see anybody behind me because their headlights are below the line of the truck.
Good. He's always worried about people behind him for some reason.
Yeah, you can go. You know what I mean? It's
Oh, he'll go. He's fine. He knows what he's doing.
Yeah, I got.
Should I start your road ready?
all right. We'll hopefully see you guys at the house. Woo! You guys want to talk about nerve-wracking? Andy said he's gonna move his
I'm a
car. but
Ford
his
man
keys are
now.
here. You're always gonna be a Ford man, son. You done
Thanks,
good.
Dad. Thanks, Paul.
You done good. You can't see
Anything else,
nothing.
Andy?
No.
Thank you.
Tell him you don't know where they are.
Okay.
All right, let me back it in the driveway. It's a little tight.
Don't block my speaker. Where? You know, on the side of the dipshit.
Like this?
And you wonder why I get nothing done around these places. 11 p.m. on Tuesday. Pitch black out.
That's how short Steve is.
He's on his tippy toes. All right, let's get this thing unloaded. I'm over it. Andy's hour is actually 4 hours.
All right. Thank you very much, Senate Steve and Dee, for helping out on this great adventure. The new DURAMAX engine is at the shop, and it's really echoey in here.
Super echoey, yeah.
Full send, right?
You better thank D again, because I was going to stay home tonight.
Thank you, Dee.
We got back to my house.
You're like the bestest. He doesn't deserve you.
She doesn't deserve me. We'll pick back up with something, I don't know what. Diablo Formula Racing, so definitely check him out. I do believe I'm going to end up assisting him on doing the DURAMAX engine swap, and I'm freaking excited, guys. So there you guys have it. If you like the content, again, please smash that like button, please subscribe, and you know, we're making big changes, guys. I've been saying it now all this entire week, and I'll probably say it 2 more times in the videos. That way you see, you know, that we're knocking out the things on that board and everything. I know today we didn't really do anything because of obviously the engine light and because we helped our buddy Andy out, but we are getting things taken care of, guys. Things are, you know, starting to look good for the channel and, you know, progress into the areas and the ways that I want it to progress. So again, guys, if you like the content, smash that like button, please subscribe, and thanks for all the support. Take care. We'll see you in the next video, guys. That's a wrap. Take care. Have a great night. Go! How many of you guys just see me close the keys in the truck? Or in the hood? Oh, unbelievable. Bloopers. Outtakes. Let's get the keys out. Much better. Now it's over.